kalayo, tayo'y pinagtatagpong muli. Ilang ulit nagkasakitan, ngunit paulit na gumagaling. Ilang ulit balak na iwan, ngunit patuloy na bumabalik.
The song is very interesting and it has a very nice melody. It's actually danceable. That's why I got inspired coming up with the choreography. And also, Ram, the partner, helped me with some moves for Sarah.
Pag-ibig na tila basang biyaheng ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot.
You know, in a choreography, it's always the music that will always initiate the movements. So we listen to the music. Ikot-ikot is a very interesting music. So papakinggan mo yon. The message of the song is puno-puno ng angst eh. Oo, so emotions-wise, maraming kang pwedeng magawa. But what will really work for Sarah's music video, that's what we have to come up with. And that's what's challenging.
Sakit na hindi mo napabayaan, di maiwasang isipin na tayo'y para bang tumakbo sa walang hanggan at kalye tumakbo.
Yung concept ng album, expressions. Parang expressions ng music ko, expressions of my heart, my soul, lahat ng thoughts ko pagdating sa love, pagdating sa buhay-buhay. Kasi yung bawat song na included sa album, parang naging storya ng puso ko. Kumbaga, relatable lahat ng kwento ng awitan na maging sa album expression.
Andiyan naman si Direk po talaga siya talaga yung nag-execute. Ako naman po yung pagdating sa konsepto eh. Call naman ni Direk yung siya.
Bakit nakatagal? Kay dami ng sakit na nilimot